to be his possession. He is my everything. I remember my days of darkness, without sunshine or light to see the way. The whisper of his voice softly sing to the arms of my Maker to stay. He is my reason for living. He is the King of all the kings. I long to be his possession. He is my everything. After the lightning and thunder, after the last bell has rung, I want to bow down before and hear him say, well done. He is my reason for living. He is the King of all